This is Uma Maheswar, Placement Officer, Engineering College, Osmania University, Hyderabad. I would like to talk about the ReferenceGlobe.com's assessment feature which is being offered to our students this year. The feedback that I got from the students is very good. The test process which is rolled out by the online platform to the students is very useful for them to prepare well for the upcoming placement season. Not only the aptitude test part, but students, if they are planning to prepare for the core companies, they can appear for different core domains and then prepare well for the test. For the placement officers, it's a very useful tool for them to know about the preparedness of the students. They can know the reports, how well the students have performed in different tests, and what group they fall into, whether they fall into top performers or lower performers, so that when you segregate the students into different performer category, you can focus on those students who are not doing well in the test, offer some training programs, again then go for retesting. Understand that this platform also gives access to the students who passed out from the college. As alumni, they can give inputs to the existing students in the college. So there's a good interaction between the alumni who passed out and also students to get some inputs on the career opportunities. Not only that, what I heard is the test pattern can be customized by the placement officers based on the types of companies coming to the college. So if a core company is coming for placements, the placement officer can set the customized test pattern for the mechanical or civil or electrical domain. Or if a IT company is coming for aptitude test, then based on the sections that the company is offering, they can choose the sections like verbal or quantitative or English or other patterns. Then they can assess the students very easily to this platform. So I wish the placements can have a look at this ReferenceGlobe.com pattern and then make the best use of it, not only for the students for the placement but also for other career opportunities. I recommend this to the placement officers who are looking for a good assessment tool for the placement season. In fact, when compared with other platforms which are offered by other parties, this is suitable for the current placement season. So I suggest all the placements to have a look at it and offer it to the students and customize it for the requirements of the different types of companies coming to college. I wish them all the best. I thank Mr. R. Nagendra for offering this feature to our college students this year. I wish him all the best in all these endeavors. Thank you.
My name is Samasi Dikku. I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Communication from Osmania University. I am in 4th year. Recently I got placed in a company with the help of the exams in ReferenceGlobe, because we had an exam. I went through it. I got to know where I am right now, where my preparation is going on. After giving the exam, I worked on my speed, on my aptitude skills, and now I am placed in a good company, and it gives us many more things, like we can connect with our alumni for further suggestions or get references in their companies, or we have many mock tests which will help for the further studies. So it's very helpful, and as I said already, there are many tests which will help us in further studies, and there are many if you want to go in a specific company, you have exams for that also. So it's very helpful, and it gives us many tricks, and it helps us in many concepts. It gives us concept videos which will help in giving our exams in a better way, and we can improve our technical skills, because there are many more options in that for improving our technical skills too. So I think students should go for it to have a good job opportunities or for their further studies. Thank you. Thank you ReferenceGlobe for providing me this platform, because this helped me to get a good job. So I want you all to also make use of it and have your best.
My name is Amrajaz, and I am studying in Osmania University, pursuing computer science and engineering. I recently found out about ReferenceGlobe from my placement office, and I was given the opportunity to write the test, which I think covers everything that a student would require to crack placement exams. I researched about Reference Globe a while ago. I think they provide everything that a student would need for higher education, for company placements. Like if a student has some doubts about companies, they can contact their alumni. That is also provided by Reference Globe. For example, I am studying computer science and engineering, so I need coding platforms, which is also again provided by Reference Globe. They provide different programming languages and the respective environment, so you can code and check your output. The company section is also provided by Reference Globe, where you can search companies based on your department. And I think the most important thing that they provide is the patterns for placement papers, which is categorized by again the companies. I think that students nowadays have to search a lot on the web to find placement papers, and a lot of time is wasted. If someone has an account in Reference Globe, they can directly go to their platform and search for the respective company's placement papers, which I think is an excellent platform. And I would like to add the alumni support that is provided by Reference Globe. I think that since it has always been said that learn from your elders, we can always contact our seniors and find out about companies, what their requirements are and everything. And for students who want to go for higher education, companies, even foreign universities are provided by Reference Globe, where you can check out their requirements and everything else. I think that Reference Globe is an excellent platform, and that every college should have it as a common exam taking tool. And I suggest to all of my classmates and everyone else to take those tests. Thank you.
I'm from Osmania University EC department. Recently I've taken my Reference Globe test. It was given to us by our placement officer, and the test was really amazing. I actually knew where I stood among the class and what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths. It was a very hassle-free website to work on. Other than the placement papers, it even had things you should know about further education, like it had GRE mock tests, it had gate mock tests, which are very important for students, and all of it in one site. You don't have to search here and there, you have everything in one place. And as I said, it was very hassle-free website. It was very easy to work on, and it even gave us the instructions beforehand for the examination. And we had 90 questions which had technical, aptitude and logical, exactly what the placement papers have now. And the paper was it was good. It was of a very average to difficult level paper, so which helped me understand what I should work on more. And with the help of Reference Globe, I actually got into 2 companies, and I'm very thankful to Reference Globe for giving me this opportunity to work with him. And I suggest all the students from other colleges as well to work to get into Reference Globe. It's very helpful. Thank you.